Dog and Mouse Company. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our underwater adventure. Today, we're going to learn colors with some amazing sea creatures. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Look at this fish. It's so bright and happy. What color is it? That's right, it's yellow. Can you say yellow fish? Great job. Wow, here comes a starfish. What color is this one? Yes, it's red, just like a big shiny star. Say it with me, red starfish. Perfect. Here's a wiggly little seahorse. Can you guess its color? Yes, it's green. Green like seaweed. Can you say green seahorse? Awesome. Oh, look at this soft and floaty jellyfish. What color is it? That's right, it's pink. Let's say it together, pink jellyfish. You're doing amazing. Whoa, look at all these fish swimming together. What color are they? Yes, they're blue. Say it with me, blue fish. Fantastic work. Now look, all our sea friends are here together. Yellow fish, red starfish, green seahorse, pink jellyfish, and blue fish. What a colorful underwater world we've explored today. Thanks for diving under the sea with me, friends. Keep practicing your colors and come back soon for another adventure. Bye-bye.